Hi guys, I'm Kayla with Dirt Road Dancing, and today we are teaching Scootin Bootin. It's my favorite line dance right now. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance at an improver level. We have one tag, one restart, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe right down below. Otherwise, let's get into the tutorial. Alright guys, let's get started with that first set of 8 counts. We're going to start with the weight on our left leg. We're going to bring that right heel out and then hook that right foot over that left knee, put the right heel back down, and then step together. Now we're going to do almost the same thing on the left side. Bring that left heel out, hook it across the right knee, left heel down, and then we're going to kind of step it over to the left so we have all our weight over on that left foot. Now we're going to bring that right toe together and just hold. Then we're going to step out to the right with that right foot, left toe in, and hold. Now let's put some counts behind that. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Alright, now let's do our second set of 8 counts. So we ended with our weight on that right foot and this left toe right next to it. We are going to step out to the left with that left foot in a rock and recover on the right leg. Now we are going to do a half shuffle turn over our left shoulder, going left, right, left. Now we are facing our back wall. We are going to bring that right foot across for a cross rock, recovering on that left. And we're going to do a quarter turn over our right shoulder, going right, left, right. Now, let's put some counts behind that. Again, our weight is on the right. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, rock 5, 6, shuffle 7, and 8. Now let's put the first 2 8 counts together. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, shuffle 3, and 4, rock 5, 6, shuffle 7, and 8. Let's get into the third set of 8 counts. Because of the way we're traveling in this 8 count, I am going to continue teaching it on the correct wall. We ended with our weight on that right foot. We're just going to step that left foot forward and take a quarter pivot over our left shoulder, stepping out with that right foot. Then we're going to take another quarter turn over our left shoulder, and we're going to do a coaster step, bringing that left foot back, right foot together, and left foot forward. From here, we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So we're stepping that right foot forward, left foot comes forward as we do a quarter pivot over our right shoulder. And then we're going to do another quarter pivot over our right shoulder as we bring that right foot back, left foot together, and right foot forward again. Now, let's put some counts behind that. Again, we have our weight on our right foot. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let's put those first 24 counts together. Remember, we are starting with our weight on the left foot and that right heel out. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, shuffle 7, and 8. 1, 2, coaster 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's get into our last set of 8 counts. We just finished off facing this wall with our weight on our right foot. We're going to step that left foot forward and clap, and then our right foot forward, clap twice. From here, we're going to step that left foot forward again and rock, recover onto the right, and we're finishing it off with another coaster step, bringing that left foot back, right foot together, and left foot forward. Now let's put some counts behind that. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, now let's put all 32 counts together. Starting with our weight on the left foot and the right heel out. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2. Coaster 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now that we are facing this wall, this is where we will restart the dance, starting with that right heel out. Now, this song does have a tag, and it'll hit on our fourth wall, facing 3 o'clock. It's not actually going to start until we're facing 6 o'clock within those 32 counts. I'm going to show you how it'll work from the very top of that wall. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, here is where your tag will happen. How it's going to work, we're stepping that right foot forward for a rock recover. We're on our left foot now. We're going to do a half shuffle turn over our right shoulder, going right, left, right. Do the same exact thing, just on the other side, stepping that left foot forward for a rock recover. Shuffle turn over our left shoulder this time, going left, right, left. Now we're just going to start the dance again from the very top with that right heel forward and hitching it up. Now, there is also a restart in this dance, and it will happen on wall 7, where you will be starting facing 12 o'clock, but you won't actually do the restart until you're facing 3 o'clock. I'm going to show you how that will look in 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now here, you will just restart the dance with that right heel forward. Good job, guys. I hope you had fun learning that dance. If you're ready to stomp it out, click the video right here, and I'll see you there.